The future of engineering is not just built in classrooms, it is shaped on the ground, where real projects take life. At HG Infra Engineering Limited, students from SKIT were given a unique opportunity to experience infrastructure development up close at our DMRC project site, where our site head shared valuable insights into metro construction and project execution. From planning and design to on-ground challenges, students gained first-hand knowledge directly from industry experts. As the session concluded, learning moved beyond discussion and into real-time execution. Students were then taken across multiple platforms developed by HG Infra, where they explored each stage of construction step by step. From structural work and reinforcement detailing to execution practices and safety measures, every aspect reflected precision, scale, and engineering excellence. This immersive experience helped students bridge the gap between theory and practice, giving them a deeper understanding of how large-scale infrastructure projects are planned and delivered. Here's what the students had to say about their experience.
हमें बताया गया कि यहाँ सब कुछ प्रीकास्ट कैसे होता है, यहाँ कौन से गर्डर्स होते हैं। यहाँ पर हमें देखने को मिला कि हम उन गर्डर्स को यहाँ पे कैसे इरेक्ट करते हैं, हाउ टू ट्रांसपोर्ट देम हियर, और यहाँ पर हमें सारा सब कुछ पता लगा कि उनको कैसे ज्वाइन करते हैं और क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स यहाँ यूज़ होते हैं। सारे अलग अलग स्टेशंस पे अलग अलग इंचार्ज ने हमें ऐसा अच्छे तरीके से कोऑर्डिनेट करा, तो वो एक अच्छा बेनिफिट हुआ कि हमें सारी चीज़ फ्रेंडली सीखने आई। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और इंटर्नशिप ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स और होते रहे जिससे सबको बेनिफिट मिले। जैसे आज हमें और मेरे कलीग्स को, मुझे लगता है हम थ्योरी पे तो पूरा फोकस था ही, बट ऑन साइट जब तक इंसान और सिविल इंजीनियर जाएगा नहीं तब तक वो सीख नहीं पाएगा। तो उसके लिए मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा एचजी इंफ्रा और उनकी टीम को।
And I believe myself to be very blessed to be in here, because I'm just experiencing through that I have an edge in everything apart from students who are in our college. Like we have a class through ongoing designing of rigs, like box convert and different types of STAT analysis I've done, and right now I'm standing on a site of DMRC project in which NT is doing their work of construction of four metro stations, and this is a great experience being here. So thank you so much HG Infra for giving us this opportunity to learn a lot from this. Thank you.
At HG Infra Engineering Limited, we believe in creating opportunities where learning meets execution. By connecting young engineers with real projects and real expertise, we are shaping confident, industry-ready professionals, ready to build the future.